Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino. These are still my adventures. And today we're going to find you a new place to live. If you are in the path where the hurricane changed everybody's life, pay special attention to this video. Or if you know somebody that was, or if you're just anywhere and you're tired of where you're living because you don't have enough money to live there, pay attention because you need to watch this video. 3 or 4 years ago, 5 years ago, I married a really nice Colombian lady and we moved around. I had a little farm in New Mexico and we went to Puerto Rico and la la la. And she was scared of the hurricanes. And so we ended up back in Colombia. And Colombia was the best move. My God, I wish I'd have known it was here 40 years ago. I'm 71 and I let a lot of water go under the bridge. But that's not the point. The point here is that I know you're hurting. I know you might have lost everything. I know you may not have a place to live. I don't know how to reach out to you. I don't even know if you'll get to watch this video. But I'm going to put it out there and maybe God will put it in your hands because I have a solution. I live in rural Colombia. And it's not that rural. I live in a 7,000 people. There's 7,000 people in this little town. It's about 15 minutes to a town of 50 or 60,000, and it's 2.5 hours to Bucaramanga, which in the whole metroplex of Bucaramanga are probably 1 million people. So, if you want city, we have it. If you want almost country, we have it. If you want country, we have it. I actually live in a little gated community. Don't have anybody guarding the gate. It's just close it when you're on your way out. And I live for not very much money. I'm all in every month. Rent, utilities, food, healthcare, and my gasoline for my automobile. You ready? $750, $700 most months. Yeah, I know, it sounds incredible. Well, it's true, and I know a lot of you aren't going to believe it, but if you'll go watch all my videos, I have empirical evidence that this is where I live. This is what I do. And living on Social Security for me was $1,100 a month. Where are you going to live for $1,100 a month if that's your Social Security check? Where? Tell me. Florida? California? New Mexico? You might get away with it in New Mexico, but it'll be ugly. The east side of the United States, I have no clue. The western states and the Gulf states, you're not living anywhere for $1,100. You're going to have to work. And you're going to just be a poor person. Not in Colombia. You bring your $1,100 down here, and let me tell you what it's going to do. It's going to get you a great quality of life. It's going to extend your life. Because number one, all the food in Colombia that we eat out here in the country is pretty much organic. And the reason it's organic is because they don't have the money to use the petrochemicals inputs that we do in the United States. So by default, it's organic produce, it's organic chicken, it's organic everything. It's the rare farmer that ever uses petrochemicals on his crops. So there you go. You're going to be healthier because of the food. The pace is slower. There's nobody having heart attacks at 45 here because everybody is pretty laid back. That might make you crazy because Colombia time is an hour or two late, or maybe next week, or it sucks. But that's the only drawback I've found so far. So here we go. You just got your butt pounded by a major hurricane. You may or may not have a place to live. I don't know. I don't know what it's like up there. I don't even know who to contact. That's why I'm making this video. It's the only way I know to try to get in touch with you. It's my mission It's my mission to help Colombia out where I live here, because the small town I live in has like 5 or 6 hotels that go begging 80% of the time. But they have all-inclusive packages. I've got a gentleman down at a really, really, really nice hotel. And he pays about, oh my God, $500 a month for room and board. And they take care of him like he's their grandpa, el abuelito. And when he needs to go to town, we take him to town. When he needs to get money, we take him to the ATM. That's my job, because I brought him here. He wanted to come, and he was worried. And he's a handicap man. We even have a lady that takes care of his clothes, bathes him for little or nothing. So my whole point is, what are you doing up there, man? You just got your butts kicked by a horrible, horrible, horrible hurricane, and it ain't the first time, and it may not be the last time this year either. I see 2 or 3 hurricanes backed up in the hurricane alley, and it's like playing Russian roulette with the hurricanes in Florida and the East Coast. I'm sorry, but I thought about living in Florida. My wife wouldn't let me because of the hurricanes. Thank God I'm not there. But if you will look in my description, all of my contact information is there. Call me. There, I've got a voice over IP phone there, the computer phone that you can call me anytime, anywhere. Will not cost you a nickel. It's my personal phone, just like calling on my cell phone. I got my email there. You can send me an email. You're more than welcome to leave comments on this video, and please do. But don't try to contact me via a comment, because it's really difficult to do that way. It's better if you contact me by email or phone me. Either way, or even text me. I mean, I hate text, but you can text me too. That's fine. If you have WhatsApp, that's good. That's good too. All my information is down there. So let's just see. I mean, I also have a 7-day tour that I pick you up at the airfare not included. Let me make that clear. Airfare not included. A 7-day tour. I pick you up at the Bucaramanga airport. I bring you to San Gil and then out here to our hotels. And I take care of you for 6 days. 7 days, 6 nights. And we're going to do day trips. And you're going to know how this part of the country rolls by the end of the week. And you will know pretty much if you're even thinking about moving here on how to do it. You don't have to move to this specific location. However, I know the deals. I can get you in for cheap, and it's safe. It's safe. It's safer than Chicago. It's safer than Atlanta. It's safer than Dallas. It's even safer than Corpus Christi. So that being said, I'm pleading to you, man. I got to share this because I have a wonderful life. I have a wonderful wife. I live in a beautiful house that's not 2 years old. A 2-story, 4-bedroom, colonial style house for cheap. I know our country is hurting. And I don't know what to do about that. But I know what to do with our patriots. I can give them a better life. So that being said, today is the first day of the rest of your life. And if nothing changes, nothing changes. Give me a call. Send me an email. Get off the couch. Do something. I know you're hurting. I know it's a really bad time. And if you're not personally, and you know someone that is, please share this video with them. I appreciate it. So that's a G. So with that being said, I'm signing off here, and I will see you on the flip side. God bless.